Did you guys peep my new intro? Did you peep the new intro? I am here with the one and only, the man, the myth, the legend, Jon over at Insomnemedia. He is the creator of my intro. He killed it. He just executed it perfectly. So give it a 10 out of 10. We love it.
I was so happy that you did your feedback. I'm always here. What's up?
Hell yeah. I'm gonna link all of Jon's information in the description box below. Make sure you check out his pages. If you want a video with him, just hit him up and he'll work his magic.
With us.
With us.
Be on deck from now
We'll work our magic. Alright guys, so where are we going today?
We are going to Kaaterskill Falls, baby.
I get confused. Is it Bash Beach or Bish Bash?
No. So we're not going to Bash Beach. Just kidding. Joke's on you.
I was so excited. I was like, we're going to Bad Bitch Falls, guys. We are out.
With some bad bitches. Kaaterskill is where you want to fly a drone. It's such a long like waterfall that you need that aerial shot.
So we're on our way to Kaaterskill Falls. I would say like the goal of this video, we're trying to get a couple shots in with the drone.
Yep. We're getting aerial video as well as photo of the waterfall. So basically the waterfall's here. I want the drone like here.
Right. So we're gonna do a couple cinematic sequences with the drone.
Sick. Biden won?
Biden became the 46th president.
No way.
2 hours later.
Yo, I hope this hike is like, serious.
11.4 miles, 16 minutes away. My ass hurts. Does anyone know how long this hike is?
I'm hoping it's 10 minutes tops. I only got like 14 minutes of battery in me.
All I know is Fila better sponsor me.
Yo, you're rubbing the cushions.
We're gonna be one with nature today. We're gonna be one with nature today. You are here.
Alright, so use the map. So if this is 0.5, that's like 1, let's say 1 mile. That's what I'm trying to calculate using mathematics. We need some free skis.
Alright, I'm ready. Alright guys, can we take a little break? 42.
One with nature. We are one with nature. One with nature. This is the part of the hike where like my butt cheeks are starting to sweat. All I'm saying is, Fila better cut this check. Sponsor me.
I didn't want to launch it over there because number one, there's too many people. Number two, that fucking state troopers there.
There's too many trees there too to even launch it.
Yeah.
We're rushing a bit with time because sun's gonna go down soon and we gotta get this drone up. So we're making our way down to the bottom. What? You're trying to cross?
Yo, where the fuck do you cross? That was like the best setup.
To go across?
Yeah. I was like kind of scared looking. I didn't look really tough. I was just like,
Oh my god, did you see that? So John got the drone in the air, but the drone is not flying higher than it should to get to the top of the waterfall because we're already at a high altitude. Is that why it's not going up? Because we're at a high altitude? Because we're at a high altitude, so we might have to go up and calibrate it from up there. I'm not sure. The drone is up.
shot, Val.
Shot?
We got the shot. Boom, it was worth it. We came out here, did what we had to do. We came through, we fucked shit up, and now we dip.
So they managed to get the drone up, even though we were on a high altitude already, and we got it up, got it flying, and we got the shots.